So you got 4 ads at the top and then some at the bottom. The bottom ones hardly get any clicks. The reason why you are not getting your ads shown at the top is because you're losing out in the ad rank and in the auction. So there may be a variety of things which you need to look at. First thing is your bids. If your bids are lower, then you probably will get outbid by your competition. So that's the first thing which I would bid up. Now, the thing is, a lot of people get scared by bidding too high. Okay, so the average CPC which Google is recommending is, let's say, $3. If I'm not getting ranked in the top 4, I'll bid $6, $7 and be very aggressive to start with. Because if it's a new campaign, your quality score hasn't been calculated yet. Google is just going to have a look at your keywords, your ad and your landing page and give you either a low or a high quality score. But to improve your quality score, CTR is one of the most important things. So if your ads and your keywords are very tightly knitted and you start to get the clicks, your quality score will improve. But you're not going to get the clicks if your ad doesn't show at the top. So I would recommend that you bid high. Even if you bid $10, don't worry about it. You will not get charged $10. But what you will do is be able to beat your competitors and start to get your ads ranked in the top 4. Now, what you can't see is the average position anymore. Google has taken that out. So all you need to do is to look at the ad rank and how much you are losing out in that. And if you are losing out quite a bit and your search impression share is very low, then you need to bid up.